How does Black homeownership fit into the larger narrative of Black history in the United States?
We know that historically, Black people have faced significant barriers when it comes to homeownership due to discrimination and racism in the real estate industry and lending industry as a whole, as well as systematic poverty and lack of access to education.
We were kept out of the market for years. And we also know that homeownership is one of the biggest ways to create generational wealth.
Yes, we've had a lot of progress to come from government and acts that have passed, but it's created this enormous wealth gap that we are having such a hard time to overcome, and that we need everyone's help to overcome so that we do have equality and fairness for all.
Why is sharing the history of Black homeownership important?
If we know where we came from, then we know where we're going. We have to learn from our past in order to move forward in a better light.
Bringing awareness to what we've been through when it comes to redlining, discrimination, government policies, anything that kept us from owning homes. I think it's important to share that so that we can help eliminate that stuff so that that doesn't keep us from owning homes in the future.
What challenges do Black people face in pursuit of homeownership, and how has that changed over time?
We're looking at lack of access to credit,
lack of affordable housing,
lower credit scores,
lack of education,
not enough down payment funds,
inadequate representation,
more student loans than their white counterparts.
We have less Black people in the real estate industry.
We have to look at the unemployment rates and the fact that a Black man earns 87 cents to every dollar that a white man earns. How are we able to own homes and build wealth at the same rate when we're not paid at the same rate? And when we do finally own our homes and we want to tap into that equity to refinance the property, then we're looking at appraisal discriminations. And these are all due to so many reasons outside of ourselves. These are things that are rooted in discrimination and discriminatory practices that have been intertwined in the fabric of our country. Homeownership and your equity is a right that we should all have, and we should all have equal access to. It just can't happen until we address all of the underlying issues that have created the wealth gap that we currently have right now. But it takes all of us working together to make it happen.
We've come a long way, and we still have a long way to go.
There's still a lot of work to be done.